Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Unplug. I'm in an offline state of mind. Pull another card from your tarot deck. My destiny will reveal itself in time. Who you are is defined by what you're willing to struggle for. What do you struggle for? If today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today? Use today to build a life you've dreamed of living. Return to yourself. When you feel you're getting overwhelmed by surroundings and cannot think straight, gradually shift your attention to yourself, away from your thoughts and the feelings around you. Close your eyes. Feel all your attention shifting towards yourself, perhaps at a point in your body, making you feel safe and calm. The outside distractions will lose their meaning. Stay this way for 5 to 10 minutes. Giving all your attention to yourself instead of others, you will feel more present, calmer, and empowered. The replacement of a negative feeling by a higher one accounts for the many miracles one can experience in the course of life. As we surrender, life becomes more and more effortless. There is a constant increase in happiness and pleasure, which requires less and less from the outer world to be experienced. We stop looking out there for what we now experience as coming from within ourselves. And the quotes today. Big flexes, peace of mind, a loving family, helping others, being consistent, living with a purpose, fit and healthy body, all things you can't buy. If someone ghosts you, respect the dead and never disturb them again. Change your activity to redirect your thoughts. Let go of what you can't change. The more you heal, the easier it becomes to recognize who's gold and who's just gold-plated. Be alert enough to catch the shade, but healed enough to go on about your business. Teach me how to gracefully let go of things not meant for me. Thank you. Try loving yourself instead of loving the idea of other people loving you. Yes, yes. And the last one today. Set peace of mind as your highest goal and then organize your life around it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.